welcome to my channel. This is date we will have another unboxing. So for this time I will unbox an headset from the HyperX. So we have here the HyperX Cloud 2, and we have 2 years guarantee. So everything that I unboxed till now on my channel, and also this type of headset HyperX Cloud 2, is not sponsored by anything or any company. So everything I bought on my own money. So this video is not sponsored. And without any further ado, let's move to the unbox of those headset from the HyperX. So we have here virtual surround sound, a durable aluminum frame, memory foam, noise cancelling mic. Is for PC and also PS5, PS4. So we have here the same things that they were on the main. Okay, and now let's open the box. So here we have HyperX Cloud 2 gaming headset. So HyperX Virtual 7.1 surround sound, HyperX signature comfort, durable aluminum frame, detachable noise cancelling mic. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so it's not working like we want, so we need to cut those with our trusty knife. Now it's working. It's not done like this, so bear with me please. So we have here the box, and in the box we have a couple of user manuals, not very interesting stuff. Okay, we also have here some plastic. I don't want. Wow, we have those are not leatherette, so not leather, are just foam here. So this is the spare ones. It's pretty good because on my others headsets I don't have some spare, any type of spare. For we have here the detachable mic. We have here a jack. As you could see, those are the headset, which are very good stuff till now. We will see how well those this headset, will last in time. And in this box, I don't know what we have here. Okay, in this box I don't know what we have. Okay, now I know what we have. We have a cable for USB connection, which is great. So we have a jack connection for the speakers, for the headset, 3.5 millimeters. And we also have here the mic itself, which is connecting to the to here. So this is how it will connect. Okay, it's good. The speakers are also you could do the customization based on how big your head it is or how small it is good. And it's also good that we have those spares, because as you could see, these are leather and this is foam. In time this leather, it will for sure it will break. I don't really like this, but anyway, we'll see how this it will last in time, and I will came back with a review after I install everything on my laptop. So this is it, the extended cable, because we have here around 1 meter, and we have here another 2 in this extended cable. You could put here the 3.5 millimeters. We have here plus minus for the volume, and here plus minus for the mic, which is good. And also 7.1 surround, which is really good. So this is it, braided cable here and also braided cable here. Until now I'm liking what I'm seeing here, because it's pretty good thing, but I don't like, as I said, those cable. But anyway, this could not rotate, as you could see. Yeah, so thank you for viewing this unboxing of this headset from the HyperX, the model HyperX Cloud 2, the USB version or jack version if you want it. So if you put all the cables, you will have 3 meters. If you put just the jack, you will have around 1 meter. So thank you for reviewing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like it. If you don't like it, also dislike it. And I came back with a comment. If you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel, because as I said, I'm not sponsored by anyone. So thank you for viewing. Cheers. Bye.